Hey y'all, it is a beautiful day in the Ozarks and today we are going to make some homemade oatmeal cream pies. So let's give it a try. So Pam Kaiser sent me this recipe because she saw me at the grocery store the other day buying Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies on one of my videos, and she said here is a recipe for some homemade oatmeal cream pies. And so I am excited to give this a try. So I have my oven set at 350 degrees and now I'm going to put all of the stuff together to make the cookies. You're going to start off with 1 cup of butter, and I have mine a little bit softened, not melted, just soft. 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, and I want to thank my friend Wendy for the eggs, for these beautiful farm fresh Easter eggs. They are delicious. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Did you know that your cap is also 1 teaspoon? Now you're going to cream this together. I'm going to cream mine together with a potato masher. You can drag out your mixer if you'd like, but I'm just going to get this creamed up real quick. There you have it. Now we're going to put our dry ingredients into a separate bowl. 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give this a really good whisk and get those all mixed together. There we go. Now we're going to mix it into our wet ingredients. Add 3 cups of quick oats. You can use old-fashioned oats if you want. I'm just going to use quick oats, and I'm just using these Always Save quick oats. 3 cups of these. There she is. Let's get our pan ready. I'm going to put a little parchment paper on my cooking sheet here. I'm going to go ahead and spray it too. I'm going to use a small ice cream scoop, and we're just going to scoop some little balls out just right like that. They're going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. We'll check them after 12. We'll just see what they look like. Now we're going to make our filling for it. I'm going to go ahead and use my KitchenAid mixer for this. So I have 3/4 cups of butter in here. There we go. So my butter is already softened. There we go. Hardly ever use this, so. All right. 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. And dump that in. 1 tablespoon of milk, heavy cream, or half and half. I'm using milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, let's give this a mix, but I'm going to start off kind of slow so that our powdered sugar doesn't go everywhere. Until you get it all mixed in. We can bump it up a little. Oh yeah, that is looking good. Oh yeah. I'm making homemade oatmeal cream pies.
Oh, that's right. Are you okay? You're funny.
I think 13 minutes is perfect, so I'm going to let these cool. I'm just going to take these off and let them cool off. Start putting them together. Cookie, cream. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You're going to end up with about 10 of this size. These are pretty good size. So if you want to use a smaller scoop, just like a mini scoop, you can make a whole lot more. Look at that. I'm going to pair mine with a 2021 2%. I think that will go nicely. Again. I just slung icing all over me. Holy moly. That is delicious. Thank you so much, Pam Kaiser, for this recipe. That is delicious. Go make these. God dang, that's good. Now, y'all know I didn't let my cookies cool long enough. You know, I'm just too impatient. So if you'd have let your cookies cool quite a bit, it wouldn't be running out the sides like that. It would be more like that. like stacked inside there. But I am so impatient. I could not wait. These are so delicious. Oh my gosh. You're going to love Little Debbie who? If you love oatmeal cream pies, you are going to absolutely love. Y'all remember to expect something. Oh, what do I have all over me? Jeez. Messy. See, if I let them cool off, I wouldn't have that all over me. You got to be patient. Patience is not my strong suit. So, remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today and have a fantastic day. We'll see you.